Let's dive into an explainer on a crazy survival tech from a 1989 FEMA report. Imagine a massive petroleum crisis. Supply chains and agriculture completely halt. How do we survive? If liquid fuel vanished, we desperately need an emergency way to keep food distribution moving. This isn't sci-fi. During World War II gas shortages, millions of European vehicles ran on wood. Get this. 95% of occupied Denmark's mobile farm machinery ran entirely on wood gas. The secret? Internal combustion engines actually run on vapor anyway, not liquid fuel. Enter gasification. It's an incomplete combustion process, acting as both an energy converter and filter. The resulting wood gas is incredibly potent, packed with highly combustible hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So FEMA engineered this simplified, stratified, downdraft gasifier you can actually build yourself for emergencies. You literally build it using a galvanized garbage can, common plumbing fittings, and a mixing bowl. Inside the gasifier, air gets forced straight down through 4 highly distinct temperature zones. Up top, raw wood meets air, then moves into the pyrolysis zone to burn volatile components. Below that, hot gases react with charcoal to create fuel. Leftover ash protects the bottom grate. FEMA's actual prototype from the report was strapped right to the front of a tractor. And it actually worked. It fueled the tractor during field tests using nothing but wood chips. But beware, it's definitely dangerous. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a massive risk when operating this system. Which leaves us wondering, if the gas pumps ever run dry, could you build one to survive?